Hey there, welcome to my channel. I was looking for ways to make some extra cash online, and as always, YouTube came to the rescue. After doing some research, I found some interesting side hustle to try. In today's video, I want to share my experience with trying to earn some extra cash using Clickbank. If you're not familiar with Clickbank, let me break it down for you. So Clickbank is a massive e-commerce platform and affiliate marketplace. It's a place where you can promote someone else's product and receive a commission for each purchase made through your affiliate link. To start off, I had zero knowledge about Clickbank, and I wasn't too worried about that, as there are plenty of videos on YouTube that provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to earn money using Clickbank. Some of these videos claim that you could make anywhere between 100 and 1000 pounds per week, and I said, let's find out if this is the real deal or if these videos are just clickbait for YouTube views. After watching lots of videos and following all the necessary steps, I found out that is something that they don't tell you. I'll explain this later on in the video. Now, let's start with step number 1. Create a Clickbank account. It's a very easy process and it takes about 1 minute to sign up. Step number 2. Create a page for the products you want to promote. I followed the instruction in the video and create a page on Pinterest for the specific product I wanted to promote. I named my page The AI Insider, as I was looking to promote an AI product. Let me show you the page. So this is the page, The AI Insider. Step number 3. Choose a product to promote. Here is where the problem begins. I logged into my Clickbank account and looked for a product to promote. I searched for good products for about 3 hours and eventually I found one. Then I checked online to see if that product has a good review, and I found out that most of the products, if not all of them, are scam. Let me give you a quick proof. So here is my Clickbank account. I went to e-business and e-marketing. So this is one of the products I want to promote. As you can see, the gravity score is high, which means that people make money with this product. Now let's give it a try. So this is the website. Let's copy the link and go to Trustpilot. As you can see, 2 star, 78%, 1 star. Scam. Waste of time. Typical scam. Now let's check another product. This is another product I wanted to promote. Check the website. Get paid to test apps. Let's copy the link and go to Trustpilot. Three stars, 1 star, 47%. Rude, unprofessional. Do not tell the truth. Scam. I'm not sure about 5 stars reviews. Very obvious scam. No customer service. I think you get the point here, and I came to the conclusion it may only be possible to earn money through Clickbank by promoting dishonest or scammy products, and this isn't something I want to be part of. Now, the question here is, can you make money with Clickbank? And the answer is, I think it's possible to make money with Clickbank, but it often involves promoting dubious products and potentially scamming others. So next time you came across a YouTube video that claims to help you make money with Clickbank, keep in mind, it could be promoting shady products. Now, if you're interested, check out my next video where I talk about 7 common money mistakes that tend to keep you stuck in the rat race.